You charge your iPhone overnight, but by midday, the battery's already slipping below 50%. You're not streaming, gaming, or doing anything heavy, yet your battery and data vanish fast. The culprit might be a quiet feature running behind the scenes: background app refresh. Here's how to take control of it. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap General. Then tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again to proceed. At the top, you'll see three options: Off, Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you only want apps to refresh when you're connected to Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi. This keeps updates flowing without eating into your mobile data. To allow updates anywhere, choose Wi-Fi and cellular data. But if you'd rather save battery and data altogether, tap Off. This stops apps from refreshing when they're not in use, helping your phone last longer between charges. Below these options, you'll find a list of apps. You can toggle them individually. Keep background refresh on for messaging apps you rely on, and turn it off for games or apps you rarely open. Once you fine-tune it, your iPhone 17 will feel faster, your battery will last longer, and your data won't disappear unexpectedly. And that's it. If this video helped you make your iPhone 17 more efficient, give it a like or watch another tutorial to uncover more battery-saving tricks. Thanks for watching.